Walmart Pay works by generating a QR code inside the Walmart app that gets scanned at checkout or at supported fuel stations, which removes the need to swipe a physical card at the register. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up Walmart Pay in the app, how to use it at a gas pump, and what to do when the scanner doesn't recognize your phone. First thing is setup inside the Walmart app. Open the app and go to the payment section where Walmart Pay is listed. Add your debit or credit card if it's not already saved. Once it's set, Walmart Pay is ready to generate a QR code every time you check out or pay for fuel at a supported station. The key point here is simple: the pump or register has to support Walmart Pay scanning. If it doesn't, the option won't show up at all. Next is the actual gas station process. At a Walmart fuel station or a participating station like Murphy USA at Walmart locations, start by selecting the payment option on the pump screen. When it asks for payment method, choose Walmart Pay if it appears. Then open the Walmart app on your phone and tap Walmart Pay. A QR code appears on your screen. Hold your phone up to the pump scanner and wait for the confirmation. Once it beeps or shows approval, you can start fueling. The authorization step is what links your app to that specific pump session, so don't close the app until the pump is unlocked. If Walmart Pay doesn't show up at the pump, it usually means the station doesn't support it or the system is down. In that case, you can switch to a card at the pump or pay inside the store. If the QR code won't scan, brighten your screen and hold it steady about a few inches from the scanner. Dirty or cracked phone screens are a common reason scans fail. One more thing that trips people up is leaving the app too early. If you exit Walmart Pay before the pump finishes authorizing, the transaction can fail, and you'll have to restart the process. The simple workflow is this: make sure Walmart Pay is set up, confirm the pump supports it, scan the QR code, and wait for authorization before pumping. If this helped, like and subscribe for more step-by-step fixes and walkthroughs that cut straight to the point.